Kungaloosh, ladies and gentlemen. I haven't done one of these in quite a while, so hopefully you'll bear with me. I might be a little bit rusty, but as you can see, I'm at Universal Studios, and we are in the beginning of the Halloween Horror Nights season. Now you can see the coin isn't on the arch just yet, but today I am going in and I'm going to do the Taste of Terror, which is like a little tasting spree of all the drinks and snacks and everything that they are going to offer at this year's Halloween Horror Nights. I'm going to meet my friend Chris from Ear to Ear Magic in there. I don't know if they'll let me record. If not, I'll just take a bunch of photos and I'll have to record a video, but we'll see. Good news, I found Chris. So the Taste of Terror is going to be over at Soundstage 33. We check in over here and then we go in and we fill our faces with stuff. Thanks for interrupting me. Stage 33. You go past the public library here, and it's this building. If you've gone to Horror Nights, you've probably seen this building with the marquee, and that's what it is. Are you ready to stuff your face?
Wait, is that a...
It's not a rhetorical question.
I was about to say, it really is. I've been ready. Since those tickets came into our hands, this is all I've been thinking about all week.
Yeah, same. Let's go.
So, can we fill our pockets? Do they check pockets on the way out?
I don't know. I brought my bag if possible.
I brought my big boy pants.
Wow. Yeah, I guess it'd sit anywhere. So this is the salad, looks like a walnut salad.
This is the fall harvest salad, I believe they called it.
I like
what are they harvesting? I'm not sure. But
ooh, I don't. It's safer not to ask, I think. I need more salad in my diet anyway.
There, you checked it off for the night.
Yeah, it's the dressing is very light. It's actually kind of sweet. I think it's a balsamic of some kind. It's really good.
It is called the Mini Trick or Treat Bucket.
Is that that's popcorn?
It is actually a chocolate creme brulee topped with peanut butter cream, caramel popcorn, candy corn, M&Ms, Reese's Pieces, and licorice strip.
Is that wax on the outside?
Can you eat that?
I don't know. I mean, they put it on a plate.
Go for it.
Let's try it.
Hey, you're eating it first. It's edible.
I hope so. Oh my goodness, that was very good. A little too much for one bite, but I'm a big boy.
Almost boosh.
All right, now the last thing is
the vegan.
Frito taco.
It's a vegan walking taco. Everything in this is plant-based.
And you can put some extra toppings on it, like corn salsa and tomato salsa and some cilantro. So you probably want to give this a good stir once you get it. Let's do that. Are you sure this is vegan?
It says it's vegan.
Okay, because it looks like beef in here, but I guess they're using a beef alternative. That's a Frito.
It's Soylent Green.
We all know Soylent Green is made of the best ingredients.
Yes.
Yeah, some of that...
It's made from last year's scare actors.
I guess it's like Impossible beef.
Yes.
Because that's what it looks like. All right, so let's... All right, here we go. All right.
Looking for that facial expression that says, is it good?
Mm-hmm.
Is it impossible to eat?
No.
Is it impossible not to enjoy?
I am highly enjoying this. This is really good. Oh man, good stuff. And there's so much more to try too. Do I look like extremely red with this lighting?
It is a little red.
Yeah.
All right, so we are. Guess what do you think this is?
Chicken.
No, you're right. It's chicken.
Oh.
This is called fried till the end chicken.
It has a bite too.
And I'll let you have a bite first and see what you think.
What's the dressing?
So this is fried popcorn chicken tossed in Nashville hot sauce.
Ooh.
It's drizzled with ranch dressing and then topped with scallions and chili threads.
Oh my goodness, I'm gonna love this. Not as hot as I thought it would be. It's more of what I refer to as fast food hot. Where it's
Fast
got
food
a little bit of spice, but not enough to burn you. Unless you're very sensitive. All right, now this little platter of goodness.
This almost looks like a meal. This is like an entree.
Yeah, this is special. All right, so what do we got here?
This is the mutilated pork loin.
Oh, it comes with a little bun to make a sandwich?
You can make a little sandwich if you want to.
Make a sandwich.
Make a sandwich. The mutilated pork loin is a slow smoked applewood bacon wrapped pork loin. So it's a pork loin wrapped with bacon.
Is that pork butt or pork flat?
Guess what? It's pork butt. And then it's served with a red wine demi glaze.
So I made mine in a sandwich. Got everything in this. So far, everything's ahead. I don't nothing negative about anything so far, and we've only done like
we haven't even hit half the room yet.
Yeah. Oh, what? Peanut butter burger? Oh my goodness. Yeah, we gotta try this. This is probably the most dangerous table in the room. Oh man, do I do the Hellfire? Oh, okay, I've already done this guy. That's pretty good. I'm gonna grab a Hellfire. Because why not? This is the one that turns your poop black, isn't it?
This is gonna be the one.
This is the one.
All right, you want me to tell you what you got here?
Yeah.
This is your smash burger. This is the peanut butter burger. Peanut butter burger. It's a little blurry there. We'll get you back out this way. There we go. The peanut butter burger is a smash burger with a peanut sauce, raspberry jelly, cheddar cheese, shaved onions, jalapeno bacon, cherry peppers on a vampire bun.
And that looks like a jalapeno slice right there.
Hey, I got one of those bites.
Yeah, so that's probably where I'm starting.
I don't know if it's the music or not, but there's a lot of suspense going on here.
Oh, that's very gooey. It's a little more. I was expecting it like a burger. There's jalapeno.
Flavor hits you, doesn't it?
Enough. It's very gooey. Oh my god. This is like that perfect peanut butter on the top of your mouth texture. I grabbed the bloody poutine. It looks like just regular, I forget what style cut fries these are. Steak cut, I think they're called. Alright. Poutine. Man. Nothing's been bad so far tonight. Everything's been great. This is good. Ration Distribution Center. Ooh. Thank you so much.
No problem, brother.
Surfer Boy Pizza. Is everything the same?
No. This is our Spam and pineapple, and this is a vegan version.
Okay, I'm gonna try both. Pineapple does belong on pizza. I don't care what you say, Chris.
Leftover ravioli.
The last stand ravioli. Yeah, it's ravioli.
Surprise! It's ravioli.
There's not much of a surprise with this. I was expecting like chocolate or jalapeno to be inside of it. But yeah, it's a cheese ravioli. This, what the heck is this? I thought that was garnished for
I think it's an enoki mushroom. Because, you know, The Last of Us is all about the mushrooms, right?
Oh my goodness. It does look like an alien.
Eat it, eat it, eat it.
Should I eat it alone or with the ravioli?
Put it together.
Okay. This has wrong written all over it.
Go for it. I'm glad you're going first.
That was amazingly good. Oh my god, it just got bright in here. You can see my face, can't you? It's amazing. Yeah, so the mushroom was deep fried. seasoned.
Enoki.
And with the ravioli, it's a really good mix. The ravioli on its own, ravioli, nothing really unique about it. Just it's there. And probably the last thing for me is the pizza. Already had the bite of the
From Stranger Things 4, the Surfer Boy Pizza.
The Surfer Boy Pizza. I've already had a bite of the pineapple pizza. This is like cheesy bread with pizza toppings on top. So good, simple, and you can probably do this at home. Again, nothing crazy.
So what draws you to this table?
Because it's pizza. Do I need a reason for pizza?
Dude. Sweet. Dude.
It's got that perfect toasted on top. Oh, they're very good. Yeah. Seriously, nothing's been a miss. Everything's been great. Look at this concoction of rainbow going on here. This is gonna be our grand finale.
All right, guys, we've had a lot of fun with a Taste of Terror tonight over here at Universal Orlando. Getting ready for Halloween Horror Nights for 2023, but I think it's good for us. It's been a little extra time based just on the drinks that we have tonight, the alcoholic cocktails that were available. And there were 5 of them presented, and we got to try them all. But we're gonna give one final round before it is time to call it a night. So let's run through all 5 of our cocktails that were available tonight at the event, starting with one that is returning from last year, the Ghoul Juice. Dark rum, cherry brandy, simple syrup. It's got mango nectar, lime juice. It's got pimento bitters and what is that? Pashad's bitters?
Pashad.
And again, there's a returning. So, cheers.
This would be very, very good on a very hot day.
Yes, I can imagine this. I'm not usually a big rum drinker.
I am.
This is smooth.
Yeah, this is very, very smooth.
This could get you in trouble. Next up, the Salt Lake City iced coffee, as you refer to it as bean juice.
Yeah,
bean water. And you can smell it's got the coffee. Coffee. It's got coffee in it.
It will sound like
it's got brewed coffee. It's got espresso liqueur, cruisin' light rum. What's with the rum? It's got rum in it as well. Vanilla bean, smoked sea salt, and hella smoked bitters. Hella smoked. They're really smoked.
How do you get hella smoked? Is that a setting on the oven?
I think it is. I've got it on my air fryer. So here we go, Salt Lake City. Coffee.
Weird to follow this up after the juice.
It kind of tastes like a watered down coffee.
Yeah.
Like it's a nice coffee. I mean, yeah. I can taste the vanilla. Just a little bit of the vanilla bean.
Yeah.
The smoked sea salt. I don't know.
The sea salt is
and the bitters maybe not so hella smoked as I think they are.
Maybe they all sunk to the bottom in the grounds.
Now this is one you actually really enjoy. This is your Stranger Things. The Surfer Boy Tropical Dream Punch.
Look how dark this is on the lower half. That's all alcohol at the top.
Oh my goodness. See, this is still my leftover from earlier. And you've got cruisin' rum, orange, pineapple, lime, passion fruit, and grapefruit juice. Vanilla bean as well. And you gotta stir this one up.
Yeah, I'm giving it a good stir, a good, nice, healthy stir. So now the mixture is a little more all over.
There we go.
Yeah.
Surfer Boy Tropical Dream Punch. Shall we go for it?
Let's do it.
This one gets you in trouble. That's why it gets you in trouble, dude. This is just sweet juice.
Yes.
Up next, the Electric Death. This one is New Amsterdam rum. Blue curacao. Is it curacao? Curacao. Lime juice. Vanilla bean. What is it with the vanilla bean?
Maybe they have an abundance.
They have leftover. It was a good year. Simple syrup, pineapple juice, and pimento bitters. Again, just like in the Ghoul. This one's a little on the bitter side. So This one's not nearly as Kool-Aid sweet.
No, it's
Are we still making money?
I don't know what to call that. I mean, I had it a bunch of times last year.
It's called gin.
Yeah, well,
It's
it does feel more elegant,
Yeah.
more established, more sophisticated.
the except for the fact that it's like bright blue.
Yeah.
So
Yes, I want a sophisticated drink that also makes me feel like a toddler.
next, the Tinseltown Torment Old Forester Bourbon, cherry brandy, orange, cranberry juices. Get this, chocolate and cherry.
What, not more brandy?
Yeah, exactly. Chocolate and cherry syrups, orange bitters. Bourbon with all the flavors of citrus.
Happy Horror Nights.
I don't think I've ever had a sweet bourbon drink as sweet as this.
Yeah, that's...
This is a drink that you could give me and I could sip this happily as we go from house to house.
I need to be on a hammock drinking this.
Great mixture. All five here tonight at the Taste of Terror. Your favorite? How did I know?
Need you ask.
How did I know? I mean, you got Surfer Boy all over you. You just written Surfer Boy.
The name does not do it, but I'm not going to argue.
Thank you, sir. May I have another?
Please, want some more? Give me the whole bucket.
But
You'll find something you like at Horror Nights to drink. That's without a doubt.
the only thing that will make this better, you got to get a Blinky cup.
Yeah, where's our blink? Oh, we get that.
Yeah, you got it on the way out.
Yeah, let's go get our blinky
So
cups.
you got to get your Blinky cup here. So to the 2023 season of the Halloween Horror Nights at Universal Orlando. Cheers.
Yes, sir.
We'll see you in the fog this year.
All right, folks, so that's going to be it for the Taste of Terror preview. I am full. There was some really good stuff in there. I would say the Frito vegan salad thing was probably my favorite because of both the portion size and how good it tastes. There's no argument. That was really good. I also got my Horror Nights specialty cup, and this year they're doing ones with the handles. I'm not too sure how strong that is. I feel like that's going to break off if I put too much pressure on it. But what I really love is this year's Blinky Cup. The Halloween Horror Nights 2023 Blinky Cup is all kinds of awesome. Absolutely love it. So as you see, I got Chris over here. He's taking photos of his Blinky Cup. Go ahead, check out his channel, eartoearmagic.com. He created a vlog as well, and he's going to describe what he liked. Guys, you got to try this stuff. This stuff is really good. I really hope that anything I tried tonight catches your fancy. Let me know in the comments if it did. I'd love to know what you think about everything. Until then, guys, thank you for tuning in. I haven't done this in a while. I'm going to hopefully get back in the game. We'll see. The team members want us out of here, so I'm going to get going. Thanks for watching and subscribe. You know, the whole deal. Ain't that right, Chris?
See you guys in the fog.